Hello investors, so this is a quick video on stocks that are in my watch list for tomorrow. These are the stocks which have formed a VCP on daily time frame. I have selected 5 stocks which I will tell you now. I have a potential of a good gain from here if they crosses their pivot points. I will tell you in detail what are their pivot points. So let's start the video, and the first stock we have is HAL, that's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. As you can see here, it's a perfect VCP with lower volumes than higher volumes like before. So, and it is forming a perfect VCP consolidation, you can say, with very less volumes and price action near its highs. So there are high chance and probability that tomorrow it can shoot up or shoot down depending upon the size of candle and the pivot point, which is first pivot point is, as you can see here, is 2803. If it crosses 2803 in the morning, there's a high probability of a 2 to 3% up move tomorrow, and if it falls below this part, that is 2737, it's high probability that it can touch 2648. So this was the first stock. I will look to buy only above the pivot point that I told before, it is 2803. I will buy only about 2803. The next stock we have is CG Power. It is Crompton Greaves, which have been a good stock so far for me also, as I bought here at 229 around this level. Yeah, because it was about 50, 150 and 200 EMA, as I can tell you where about it. Yeah, 50, I think I bought it here around. Yeah, here. It was about 10, 20 and 50. About 150 and 200 also. So I bought it around here, and I'm trading my positions still, and it is forming a good VCP near its highs, as it is at all-time high, and that the price is 287 and it's currently at 280. It has formed a VCP here with lower volumes as before. I will look to buy only above 283. And it has been a good performer so far, as you can see in the 5-year chart. Let me correct the pattern. As now you can see, it has given a tremendous return from its COVID lows. As you can see here, I plot the price range. The price has given around 5,519% returns. That is 50x for a stock. That's pretty good. So you can watch the stock. I will look to buy only above 283 for a good gain of around 5%. So next we have is Reddington India. Reddington Limited. I hold the stock. I bought it around here, the consolidation part. I have a gain of 1 to 2% here. So I will look to buy again if it crosses this level with more good volumes than today. Around volumes like these would be very necessary to show a good up move around 10 to 20%. So this is also a good stock, and it has formed a inverted head and shoulder before, given a breakout here, has given a good return so far, now consolidating near highs, so it has been a good stock. So you can put it in your watch list and see its price action and how it performs. So next stock we have is HFCL. HFCL, as you can see, it has formed a good pattern known as inverted head and shoulders, but a typical, as you can't say this is a right shoulder because it has so many pivot points here. So you can say it is a good consolidation pattern here, the good VCP. Now it has trying to break out near its highs, which were around 100. So I think it should do well if it crosses above 85.45. So you should keep this stock in your watch list with a good stop loss of around 76 if you're a long-term investor, or 80 around if you're a short-term investor. The last stock we have is Finolex Industries. As you can see here, it has just rejected the candle of breakout, but I think it should do good, and it was a little bit overbought here. So a bit of consolidation here can make a way for a good up move. So I will look the candle tomorrow how it performs, and if it crosses the before pivot point here, the 177 levels, it will be a good stock and for a good up move of around its highs that were uh, wait, let me correct it. we want to check the gain. There are high probability if it crosses above this levels of a gain of 40% in next 1 year. So you should keep this in watch list, read about the company, and do let me know if you like any of the companies I've told before. Do read about the fundamentals. I've told my point on technicals, and everything I told is only for educational purposes, not an investment advice, as I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor or a SEBI registered research analyst. So please do your due diligence. It's your own money. You can't be trust anyone, so you have to play the game yourself. I'm just here to make you know which stocks are showing action. So these were all the stocks I wanted to tell you today, and let's end this video and have a nice day. Thank you.